Good morning, students. We will be continuing with our next lecture of coal and petroleum. Its topic is energy from coal. That means coal is a fuel and it provides the energy. How it provides the energy? When we burn the coal in the presence of oxygen, we will get the heat energy, and with that heat energy we can perform so many functions like the science today they are producing the electricity from that heat energy. That heat energy is used to heat the water, and from water steam is released, and that steam falls on the fan of a turbine and it rotates, and that turbine fan is connected to the shaft of a generator and electricity is produced. So here you see it is a coal. When it is burnt in the presence of oxygen, then a gas whose name is carbon dioxide is released. Plus there is a release of heat energy. So when they can ask a question how we get energy from coal. So we will say like that when coal is burnt in the presence of oxygen, then heat energy is released. So next topic is destructive distillation of coal. So this is a new topic. So what is this destructive distillation of coal? That means when you get the coal from coal mine, you will heat the coal in the absence of air to get the various products such as coal tar, coal gas, coke. So coal is heated in the absence of air. That means there will be no presence of air to get some useful products. Such as coal tar, coal gas and coke. And this process is known as destructive distillation of coal. So we are getting the different products from the coal. So first product name is coal gas. So what is this coal gas? It is a gas which is made of a mixture of several gases. Methane, that means it is made of methane, hydrogen and carbon monoxide. So it is a gas that is made of methane, hydrogen and carbon monoxide. So this coal gas, it is used as a fuel in those companies which are near to coal mines. It is used as a fuel. So this coal gas, it is used as a fuel in those companies which are near to a company in which destructive distillation is taking place. that means in which destructive distillation is taking place. So this coal gas, it is made of methane, hydrogen and carbon monoxide. This means they can also ask me, so what are the constituents of coal gas, which gases are used to make this coal gas. So what is its use? What is the use of coal gas? Fuel. It is used as a fuel in some industries. In that industries which are near to that industry in which destructive distillation is taking place. That means there will be some company in which destructive distillation take place. There will be some like refinery in which this process is taking place. To that refinery, the companies which are located near, they will use this coal gas as a fuel. So this is the concept. So here is one use of coal gas is there. In London, it is used to glow the street lamps. It is used to glow street lamps in London. So next constituent of coal is coal tar. So what is this coal tar? It's like जो लुक होती है ना रोड्स पे पड़ती है लुक काले रंग की, तो इट्स लाइक दैट थिक ब्लैक लिक्विड. It's thick black liquid. Okay, and you know this water H2O, it is made from hydrogen and oxygen, and this is known as a compound. You aware of this term? Now what is compound? So water is a type of compound. So similarly, this coal tar is made from 200 compounds. It consists of 200 compounds. That means in the coal tar 200 compounds are present. 200 compounds. And these 200 compounds, they are used to make the various products such as paint, dyes, like this. And these compounds are used to make paints, dyes, example. And one product is known as naphthalene balls.